journey. Saladika. Kapunka. Guys, I finally arrived. Yay! So guys, let me just give you a small room tour. This is what so you come out of the elevator from there and you just, this is what the place looks like. And it's your key card. So the very first door, like every other hotel, is the bathroom. So this is what the bathroom looks like. It's just your basic bathroom. But apparently, guys, my room was upgraded. I don't even know what happened, but I guess I was lucky. My room was then upgraded to, like, should I say a semi-master suite? Because as you can see, my bed is like, I believe this is wider than what I booked for. But anyway, this is what it is like. It has this TV. I don't know what this is for, but I guess it's for springing up and down. Then there's this TV. Like, it looks so beautiful. Let me see what my view is like. Oh, okay. Oh wow, what a beautiful view. So it's not a beach view, but this would do. I really love this. So guys, stay tuned. I think I'll end this my first impression of what Bangkok is like here, so that I can bring you other juicy details of what Bangkok has to offer. This is my trip. Funny enough, I was already saying I don't want to, like, I was already feeling very skeptical about this trip, like so nervous. Like yesterday or a day before embarking on this journey, I was so nervous. Like, a solo trip is not very easy now, but I have a friend that I'm meeting up today. She too, she's coming from, I don't even know what country she's coming from, but we met online anyways. So I'll see her later. Maybe we'll feature her in this part of the video or not. If not, maybe you see her in one of my other vlogs. So guys, subscribe to my channel. I'm here to bring you all the juicy stuff that Bangkok has to offer. Like this video, share, subscribe, and join the family. So guys, I'll see you in the next one. Annyeong. I need to go and rest. Guys, guess what just happened to me? I just came back from where I went to buy something to eat, at least coffee and a croissant. Only for one man to meet me at the elevator of my hotel, and he was asking me, like, where am I from? I said Nigeria. He said he's from France. But then again, he went forward to say, although it's none of his business, but I should be very careful of the Nigerians I meet here in Bangkok. And I was like, seriously? Has our reputation gotten that bad that Nigerians, I beg you, people should be representing us well in other people's country. But I don't know what contacts he has had with Nigerians here, because he himself is obviously a tourist too. So I don't know if he's just saying because of the general Nigerian reputation, or he has met some other ones here. But I beg guys, people should try and be representing us well now. We are not that bad like that. Haba. Anyways, I beg, your sister is tired taking care of my business, and now the bed is for me.